How to share content from Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you share content from Facebook. So to share content from Facebook, you'll need to follow these steps. First thing first, open the Facebook app and log into your account. So once you're logged into your Facebook application, the interface will look something like this. So what you have to do is here, in order to share content, you simply want to make sure to go ahead and select the content that you wish to share. Let's see, this is the one. You need to press on the share button at the bottom of the page here, and then you could either share it on your post, or maybe you could send it on Messenger, or maybe through different platforms such as WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever you want to. So this way you'll be able to share content on Facebook. And if you also want to share content, like if you want to post a video or photo, then what you have to do is actually click on what's on your mind at the top. You could go ahead and click on photos and video, select what you actually want to do it, so, and this is how you could share content from Facebook. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.